as promised. I want to show you now the right finger lift without the need to drill holes into your HOTAS. I've ordered this end version parts now from a professional company doing its prints in laser sintered nylon. Really good quality. They fit perfect. They're working very smooth. And they look really good. Not as glare as if it would be normal ABS maybe, but it's quite nice. Much smoother and better finish than FDM printed parts I had before. Yeah, that's the right finger lift. Here you can see the left version as before, also very smooth, and the detent. Easy to install. You can show it. Detent first. So put the screws in a little bit forward. So snap the left one over. Snaps in. Just put the screw in the back. Here. Already works without the screw, but to make it hold in position, the screw is necessary. In the right version as well, a bit forward, snap it over. Here you have to make sure you move it up far enough. And this part. So looks good. Very tight. A little bit longer screw is needed in this area, and it was necessary to a little bit more complicated to construct because of the different part setting of the HOTAS for the right level. Yeah, it also quite well. And the afterburner. Yeah, that's it. This laser sintered part, if you order it from a professional company, you should calculate, I would say, 80 euros for it in Europe. So, thanks for watching. Bye.